CADDISC welcomes you all. In this video, we are going to show role of design software in architecture and interior design field. In olden days, architects and interior designers manually drew sketches. It required a lot of rework to make any changes. There was a fear of losing data easily, as everything was on papers, though traditional sketching and illustrations give more freedom in expressing vision and artistic skills to conceptualize, but may not be the best solution in a highly competitive market, as revision is crucial and time-consuming. Computer-aided design software has eased the process of drafting through its time-saving and easy editing tools. 2D drawings are still best for space analysis, planning, drafting, and detailing. It takes the concepts from design phase to the drafting phase with accuracy. Drawings include details that contractors need to complete a project, but for a layman, 2D blueprints are just confusing. As the project gets complicated, design cycles also become longer. You need to recreate sections and elevations to fix the problems in plan. 3D industry has changed the presentation world of architecture designs. A major use of 3D modeling is it's simple to present to someone and easy to understand. If someone is not a technician, it is difficult to understand a 2D technical drawing. And 3D physical miniatures of the building is one of the options and are used for conceptual working presentation purposes. To convey the beauty of design, concept with detailing requires energy and time. Especially the changes at the time of revisions are difficult, need rework. Clients understand pictures better than plans. 2D drawings are for technical purposes only. Showing functionality through this method is tough. Only a professional can visualize the potential end result when looking at them. Your design becomes more clear and your clients can take a virtual tour of their construction projects. 3D allows you to communicate your ideas. 2D designs typically require extensive explanations and additional answers. On the other hand, with a 3D model, everything is understandable, and since the design is realistic and exact replica of project, there will be no need for additional instructions. It enhances trust with customers. The major advantage of 3D modeling over 2D drawing is that it reduces the design cycle time to half and generates rapid prototypes. 3D help clients understand how all of the design elements will work together. With the use of AR or VR, you can bring your design to life. Your clients can experience the design on a detailed 3D virtual tour. So, 3D is used to convert ideas to life and show functionality of space and showcase projects better. To create professional, quality models of engineering drawings to showcase architecture visualization from multiple views. To produce premium photorealistic images.